NEC Article 230.70 addresses the installation of electrical equipment near gas meters. The 1999 NEC Code specifies that equipment, unless of a type approved for the purpose, shall not be located within 3 feet or 900 millimeters of any gas meter, or within 5 feet or 1.52 meters of any gas service regulator when located in other than dwelling occupancies. The primary concern with placing electrical equipment in close proximity to gas meters is the risk of electrical sparks or arcs igniting any flammable gas that may be leaking from the meter. Maintaining a safe distance is crucial for preventing potential hazards. There are exceptions to the 3-foot clearance rule. Firstly, equipment specifically approved for installation within 3 feet of the meter is permitted. Secondly, equipment installed in a separate compartment within the same enclosure as the meter is allowed. Thirdly, equipment shielded from the meter by a substantial non-combustible barrier is acceptable. When determining whether the installation is correct, one must also look at any local or state codes that may have specific requirements regarding the placement of electrical equipment near gas meters. It is always advisable to consult with the local building department or utility company to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. It is important to remember the potential dangers of mixing electricity and natural gas. Proper installation practices and adherence to safety codes are paramount in preventing accidents and ensuring the safety of both property and people. The NEC provides the minimum guidelines to follow for safe electrical installations.